how do we create the ultimate gaming handheld? Well, we need to make sure it's not just a cloud gaming device, right? We don't just want to do that. We want to make sure it's the ultimate gaming handheld for three kinds of gamers: the mobile gamer, the PC gamer, and of course, the console gamer at the same time. We don't just want to do it for one kind of gamer. It's all three gamers: mobile, PC, and console. So let's talk about how we're going to make the Razer Edge the ultimate gaming handheld for the mobile gamer out there. And to this end, we need to make sure that for the mobile gamer, it is the very best Android mobile gaming experience. So how do we do this? Well, first up, something we are known for at Razer: insane performance. And this is what Razer is known for. We make sure that every single one of our products is designed with a no-compromise attitude, and the Razer Edge has truly insane performance. So what do we have in the Razer Edge? Well, first up, we've got a truly insane chipset, and it's called the Snapdragon G3X Gen 1. This is the most powerful processor from Qualcomm, and it powers the all-new Razer Edge. It's an incredible amount of power, packed in a really tiny chipset. But with great power, you need great cooling. And with that, we've got our thermals engineers. Now, we are well known for having the best thermal engineers on the planet. We've pioneered ultra-powerful, ultra-slim laptops, and we had the same engineers work on an actively cooled system that provides sustained performance. So it's not just enough to have great performance. We need to make sure it's actively cooled and it's sustained. So all the way, you're not going to have any frame rate drops. You're going to have absolutely great frame rates, and it's not going to drop all the way through as you're gaming. Why? Because we've got these actively cooled systems to ensure that you get all this great sustained performance. And this chipset was designed with Qualcomm exclusively for the Razer Edge. The most powerful gaming chipset for the Razer Edge, and it's available exclusively for the first time ever for the all-new Razer Edge. So joining me at Razercon 22 is Micah Knapp, Senior Director, Product Management for gaming platforms at Qualcomm, to talk about the insane performance that the all-new Razer Edge has. Micah?
Thank you, Min. We're really excited to be here at Razercon. Qualcomm has a long history of creating platforms when new use cases emerge. Starting with mobile phones, and then wearables, XR, compute, and automotive, Qualcomm creates a platform to enable the best solutions and innovations specific to that use case. We created a new gaming platform dedicated for handheld devices. We created the Snapdragon G gaming platform. It's our first platform designed for dedicated gaming devices. Our first chip is the Snapdragon G3X Gen 1, and the Razer Edge will be the world's first device to use it. Snapdragon G is born out of our elite gaming technologies, designed to take gaming to the next level. Snapdragon G is built from the ground up for devices to game anywhere, anytime. We think of this platform as enabling the PC gaming rig for mobile games. The hardware that will get you the most out of your games and give you the ultimate experience. As you can see, we've offered a host of features to enhance the mobile gaming experience, like game controller support, haptics, 4K TV out, and many other features. Snapdragon G features a Cryo CPU with an octa-core configuration that delivers up to 3 gigahertz of performance. Its Adreno GPU is built for maximum graphics performance and industry-leading performance per watt. With Cryo and Adreno, you can play games with stunning graphics and get long battery life. We can't wait for you to game on the Razer Edge, powered by Snapdragon G3X. And now, back to Min to talk more about the other amazing features in the Razer Edge.
All right. Thank you very much, Micah. Really appreciate that. Insane performance. That's what Qualcomm and Razer have brought to you with the all-new Razer Edge. But over and above, to make the ultimate gaming handheld for mobile gamers, we've got to have a phenomenal display. And to kick things off, we've got a really portable 6.8-inch display. It's got to be big enough for mobile gaming. It's got to be small enough to be pocketable. And it's got a beautiful, beautiful screen, 2400 by 1080 AMOLED FHD Plus display. It's an incredible display for mobile gaming. And it's got super, super fluid visuals and gameplay. Now, we pioneered pushing the limits for refresh rates on mobile devices. Back then, they were all 60 Hertz. We were the first to push it to 120 Hertz back in the day. But with the Razer Edge, we're now taking it to the next level. The Razer Edge features 144 Hertz refresh rate. It's buttery, buttery smooth. It's an incredible display. So it's with insane performance, a truly phenomenal display. Next up, we're really talking about the controls. And with the Razer Edge, we've made sure that we've got really immersive controls. And for the touchscreen gamers, we've made sure the touchscreen is an ultra-fast 288 Hertz sampling rate touchscreen. It's a super fast display. It makes sure that all the moves are incredibly smooth. And of course, it features Gorilla Glass for durability. So a really great touchscreen for mobile gaming. Now, over and above, of course, this comes with a Razer Kishi. So it's got all the great things that the Razer Kishi is known for. It's the very best mobile gaming controller on the planet. And why? It's got these great micro switch buttons that we've pioneered with the console controllers. It's got really smooth analog triggers, and of course, ultra programmable buttons. And it's got an ultra precise D-pad and analog stick. Now, what is special and what is exclusive for the Razer Kishi in this Razer Edge bundle is that this comes with HyperSense haptics. So with HyperSense, with haptics, you're going to get a really, truly immersive experience with the Razer Edge bundle together with a Kishi. So in short, for mobile gamers out there, we've got insane performance. The Snapdragon G3X Gen 1, designed exclusively for the Razer Edge, actively cooled, designed with our thermals engineers. It's got a truly phenomenal display, 6.8-inch AMOLED, Full HD Plus display, 144 Hertz refresh rate, durable Gorilla Glass, and of course, immersive controls, 288 Hertz touchscreen, console class controls, and of course, that really immersive HyperSense haptics, making this the ultimate gaming handheld for the mobile gamer. But it's not just for the mobile gamer that we've designed this for. We also want to make this the ultimate gaming handheld for the PC gamer, and of course, the console gamer at the same time. So how do we make that? We need to make sure the Razer Edge is also the ultimate handheld for cloud gaming. And we've seen many attempts at this in the market, in the industry, to try to make a great handheld for cloud gaming. But at Razer, we take a different approach. For gamers, by gamers, we want to design the very best, a no-compromise attitude to making the ultimate handheld for cloud gaming, for the PC gamer and the console gamer. So how do we do that? And in a single line, it's seamless connectivity. No compromise. First up, the Razer Edge is the world's first gaming handheld that features Wi-Fi 6E. And I'm talking about a dedicated 6 gigahertz channel where you've got a massive increase in bandwidth. That's what it comes with. Wi-Fi 6E, the very first handheld that features that. So that's the first thing. But that is just for gaming when you've got a Wi-Fi point, when you're at home, got a Wi-Fi 6E node. But what about gaming anywhere, anytime? Well, to that end, we wanted to make sure that the new Razer Edge features ultra-wideband 5G. And when we talk about 5G, we're talking about huge amounts of bandwidth, ultra-low latency. And to put a benchmark to that, ultra-wideband 5G is 10 times faster than 4G LTE. So to get to this, we're working together with Verizon. We've co-designed the Razer Edge together with Verizon, ground up, to provide you that ultimate experience, that ultimate cloud gaming experience anywhere in the US. And joining me here at Razercon 22 is Brian, SVP Consumer Device and Product Marketing from Verizon. Brian?
Thanks, Min. We are thrilled to be working with Razer and Qualcomm to co-develop the soon-to-be-launched Razer Edge 5G. I'm sure most of you watching have heard a lot of talk about 5G and the positive enhancements it will bring to the gaming community. But I wanted to provide a little input from a Verizon perspective on what we believe 5G ultra-wideband will mean to gamers looking for the next great leap in mobile and cloud gaming technology. Simply stated, Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband network is like having the power and performance of the best home broadband network right in your pocket. And if you think about what that means for gaming, you'll no longer need to be wired to your home network or endlessly searching for a reliable Wi-Fi hotspot when you're on the go. And with the Razer Edge 5G, you'll have in your hands a full mobile gaming system with a reliable connection that can push up to 1 gig of download speeds with very low lag. And what do I mean by low lag? I'm talking about a mobile network that can achieve latency that's less than 30 milliseconds and jitter sitting right around 8 milliseconds. So in other words, you'll soon be able to smash the competition, all while giving your favorite gaming chair a bit of a break for the day. But today, when you hear about mobile gaming, you're probably thinking of something like Candy Crush or Angry Birds. And listen, there's nothing wrong with either of those amazing titles. But that's not the type of mobile gaming we're here to talk about today. We packed the Razer Edge 5G with the latest and most powerful tech from Qualcomm and Razer to push the boundaries of mobile gaming. The goal is simple. We want to bring console-quality games out of the home and directly into the wild. So we now know we can go fully mobile with Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband network. But let's talk about cloud gaming. The promise of streaming games on the go, where you could immediately jump into a massive multiplayer session, has been around for 10 plus years. But it never really made any headway because the networks simply weren't ready for it. As we all know, with cloud gaming, the network is one of the most important components of the overall gaming experience. Cloud games need to push a ton of data with ultra-low latency to give you the best possible experience. Without that, cloud gamers suffer from screen tear, pixelation, unacceptable lag, and nobody wants any of that. Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband solves all of those challenges and delivers the performance required to take mobile cloud gaming to the mainstream. And while our upcoming Razer Edge 5G launch is incredibly exciting, it's really just the start of the 5G mobile gaming revolution. We know Verizon has always been the network America relies on, but it's also now the ultimate network for gamers. So again, this is just the beginning of an incredible journey together. you'll see us continue to work with the world's best gaming technology leaders like Razer and Qualcomm as we continue to work to reimagine the next generation of gaming. Back to you, Min.
All right. Thank you very much, Brian. We're really excited to be working together with Verizon to design the Razer Edge 5G, gaming anywhere, anytime. But we wanted to do something even more, just for the PC gamer and, of course, for the console gamer at the same time. So what have we done to the Razer Edge? What have we designed in to ensure it becomes the ultimate gaming handheld for PC gamers? Well, this is going to get the PC gamers really excited. The Razer Edge is the world's first gaming handheld that supports 144 Hz Steam Link remote play. This is the very first time ever that has been achieved with a gaming handheld. I'm sure all the PC gamers out there are incredibly excited. And it's not just Steam Link that we've optimized this for. We've also worked closely with our friends at NVIDIA to optimize the new Razer Edge for NVIDIA GeForce Now. And that's truly incredible, pre-installing Steam Link, making sure that we optimize it for Steam Link, working with NVIDIA to make sure that GeForce Now works seamlessly with the Razer Edge. What else over and above? Just for the console gamers out there. We've been working really closely together with our friends at Xbox to optimize the Razer Edge for cloud gaming with the Xbox Game Pass. Now, remember, the Razer Kishi is already one of the most popular cloud gaming controllers with the Xbox. And with the Razer Edge, we've created the ultimate gaming handheld with Xbox Game Pass. With just a single subscription, you've got a massive, massive game library. So right now, I'd like to show you guys what the new Razer Edge looks like. There you go. It's incredibly portable. It's a beautiful, beautiful device. This is how it looks from the back. And of course, you'd like to see the actual unit. Now, it's a really portable unit. How portable is it? Well, because of the keynote, I've had it in my back pocket all this time. There you have it, the new Razer Edge, the ultimate gaming handheld. And you can see how portable it is. In my hands, it's super light. Here's how it looks from the back. From the front, you can see how thin it is. It's a truly, truly portable powerhouse. And at this point of time, maybe I'll get the camera to come a little closer, and I'll do an actual hands-on demo for all of you at home. Check out a hands-on close-up of the all-new Razer Edge. You guys can see it. Got a whole bunch of installed games over here. And you can see hundreds and hundreds of specially curated games. This is the Nexus app that comes with the Razer Edge. Different categories, everything from role-playing to simulation, puzzle, and much, much more. Now, you can see the micro-switch buttons over here, console controllers, the triggers. It's got a multifunction button. And you can see it's really portable, super slim, super light, and of course, super, super powerful. This is the all-new Razer Edge, the ultimate gaming handheld. So would you guys like to see a quick video, a trailer that we've done for the new Razer Edge? Well, here it is. There you have it. Now, at this point of time, I'm sure many of you are asking, how do I get one? How much is the new Razer Edge? I'm throwing money on the screen and nothing is happening. So at this juncture, I'd like to take a couple of guesses. On the stream, I see there are so many of you guys on the stream. Many of you guys are going batshit over this, which is very cool. How much do you think the new Razer Edge is? Now, bear in mind, this is the ultimate gaming handheld. There's nothing like this on the planet at this point of time. Insane performance. A truly phenomenal display. Let's see the guesses come through. How much do you think the new Razer Edge is going to be? Now, bear in mind, the Edge comes bundled with the new Kishi V2 Pro with haptics. This will be available at the start only in the US, and we hope to expand availability globally soon. And I can see a whole bunch of guesses. Well, I see $599 as one of the guesses. Is the new Razer Edge Wi-Fi SKU going to be $599? No, it's not going to be $599, all right? So how much is the new Razer Edge going to be? Is it going to be $499? Well, it's not going to be $499. Ladies and gentlemen, the ultimate gaming handheld on the planet, the all-new Razer Edge, is going to retail at just $399. It's an incredible price. It's going to be shipping in January 23. You can pre-order it right now at Razer.com. And we've got very limited units available at this point of time. So please make sure you put in your pre-order as soon as possible. And we will be shipping in January 2023. Now, what about the 5G SKU? Gaming anywhere, anytime, with a Verizon ultra-wideband 5G. Well, the bundle plans are coming soon. All right, I'm sure many of you guys are very excited about being able to take advantage of Verizon's gaming plans. It's coming soon. And the Razer Edge 5G is going to be exclusively available with our friends at Verizon, who have worked incredibly hard to optimize the Razer Edge 5G for their networks. So what is going to be happening between now and January when we ship the Razer Edge? Well, we're not going to be just sitting around. We are going to be beta testing all throughout the US to make sure you've got the ultimate experience. Today, as a beta tester at rzr.to/edge. So join us as a beta tester. Help us test this out in the next couple of months to make this the ultimate gaming handheld for the mobile, PC, and console gamer. The Razer Edge, the ultimate gaming handheld.